So now we move to the next link, like suppose in student module, student roll call. Student roll call list is nothing but where we can generate the list with respect to the students in the particular class and division. So for generating roll call list, we need to make sure that all students have been applied in the particular class and their division. So once after updating their classes and divisions to the students, we can generate roll call list. Like click on generate roll call list, select the class, select the division, enter the first roll number, suppose go to 1 and just click on search. So this will be the listing automatically generated with respect to their last name. By sorting with their last name, the list is generated and this will be the roll numbers assigned to a particular student. And just we have to verify it once and just click on generate roll call list. So this list will be generated with respect to the following applied roll numbers. And if we want to change anybody's roll number, then we can also change. Suppose some students have the same last name and we want to conflict the roll number, then we can just edit here. Like suppose this Patil Srushti and Patil Priyanshu, I want to set the roll number as Priyansha as first and then Srushti. Then I will change this to 11 and this to 10. As the roll numbers are reviewed in this field, so no problem of like suppose if you want to edit any of the number, then we can edit over there. So these are the listing arranged, like suppose first are the girls. First listing are girls and then the listing are of boys. So first girls listing is sorted with respect to their last name and then the boys are listed with respect to their last name. So this is the where we generate the roll call list, and once the roll call list is generated, we can view the roll call list. From roll call list, select the class, select the division and just click on search. So this is the roll call list, final roll call list generated in the system. So that now we will go to the next link, like exit entry. So exit entry is nothing but where we just select the student has been latest student. We want to make here exit entry so that we can get reports accordingly. Suppose the student purchases we have all studying in our school last year and whose name is how to has left the school. Add this entry from add exit entry. Just make sure that to now students we have provided one subject like to also SMS and in session we can select the date of school reason for leaving school and status. Now there can be conditions like some students left the school before promoting and some students left after promoting. So if the students are been promoted and then if anybody wants to leave the school, then there will be a text box. We have to check that text box if promoted. Since it is not promoted, the status will be remain as not promoted and just click on subject and we'll get the reports accordingly of the exit details. Like suppose department, select the department, select the class and select the date and just click on submit. New division name and just click on. Okay, by default the students are get promoted. I'll get the list of exited students. Exited students, and if we want to release those exited students, if some student has been done in exit entry by mistake or by settings are purposefully, and again we want to for those students take the student and now the talent has been 5,000 into the system, we show them the live in our system, so we have to just click on release over. So after release the student will be again displayed in our student search and all links. So after that we have to make sure it's class and division once by editing record, and then we can move towards all these academic records. So this is what about exit entry of the student. After exit entry, this is the barcode. So barcode generation is mostly useful for displaying on the ID cards. So the student ID card where the reflection of barcode is displayed. So that barcodes are generated from here. Like select class, select the division, and just click on submit. So the barcodes will be generated and applied to that students accordingly. And if previously the barcodes are generated, they will remain same, but the newly added students and their barcodes will be generated. These are the members which are already set here. Document attached any message sent from the these are the fields from the school for any department, suppose primary, or any employees and all. Against this module which we prepare the templates will be sent automatically. So now once the preparation of SMS template is once we have submit, will move to the send SMS. The student will be enrolled in our student system. Go to the send SMS tab. Now select the template which we have prepared, like holiday notification. So I search from here, just click on holiday notification and the message has been arrived in here. Now we can understand here is this p date. I have used a p date parameter so that if I want to use this template for next time, I can change the date only. So now here I can put date, suppose 18th August 2015. So and move towards next. So this parameter value I have put here, so that value will be reflected over here, and this G first name and G last name will be automatically retrieved from the system. So we'll go through the actual process. Now select the student. We have selected the student. Click on select members. Now select the class, suppose primary, first standard, division A, and go. So these are the student list of first class A division, and I want to send suppose in bulk, then I'll tick here. And if I want to select only few students, like suppose only these 2 students or 3 students, then I'll select those people and add to list. But before add to list, I have to make sure that these are the default members for whom the message should be should. So I'll select those members. Suppose I want to send this message for by defaultly for this employee, so I selected that employee and just click on add to list. So these 3 students will be move forward towards sending message. So now this is the screen where actual processing of message is done, that these 3 are selected students and this is the default member. Now this many are to this, like this we have notified that total 4 messages to send. Now after, if we want to remove any student, means like if I don't want to send any message for this record, then I have to just tick here, just click on remove, so that record will be removed. But if I want to send all these listed members the message, then I'll select all and just click on send. Once the message will be sent, we can view those reports from SMS reports. So this is the actual process, whole process of sending SMS. One more thing, the parameter which we have used, like suppose now we can see the parameter was our, like, dear parents kindly note that there is an holiday on P parameter. So this P parameter which we have put the value of date previously is reflected here, and of your word where we have taken the G parameters, like G first name and the G last name had been taken automatically from the system. Since these are the students selected for sending messages, so their first name and last name has been occurred automatically over here. So this is nothing but we can use the same template for many times. Like now suppose I want to say send messages for holiday on 20th October. So again I can select this only template and I'll put the P date where the template is when asked, like suppose student and send SMS, and I will select the same template holiday notification and just enter the date, different date. So it will reduce the work of preparing templates, and we can use the prepared template for one or many times. So this is for the SMS sending, and once we send the messages, the SMS will be received to the parents, and the numbers stored which we have entered in the SMS phone field are used for sending messages. So this is what SMS.